As instructors, we often feel the urge to cover a lot of content in our courses. We try to deliver this content by using direct teaching methods such as lectures. But how do we know that learners are engaged and actually learning? A good course design can help. Designing a course requires a learner-centered approach, paying careful attention to teaching methods, what students do to learn, and how you assess them in their learning. To help you in this process, we've created this course called Course Design and Development. In this course, you'll engage in a series of planning steps to build the various components of your course. You will have the opportunity to design effective, measurable learning outcomes that learners will be expected to demonstrate in your course. You'll develop a variety of assessment strategies that align with your course learning outcomes. And finally, you'll identify several teaching and learning activities that'll help your students to engage, to practice skills, and to build the knowledge and understanding in your course. By the end of the course, you'll be ready to develop a final course outline. Designing effective courses is an important step towards elevating the quality of learning experiences in our various educational settings, whether they're classrooms, training sessions, or other educational initiatives that you may be planning. We'll guide you through a systematic approach to course design to help you to reach your desired instructional goals and, more importantly, help your students and participants to learn. I'm excited to share that this course will be offered through a new initiative at LUMS University called LUMSx, which creates high-quality online courses accessible to everyone. Upon successful completion of this course, you'll receive a certificate that demonstrates your ability to design an effective, learning-centered course. So sign up now and begin the journey of designing your own course that will surely engage the learners that you teach.